You can't go in there. There's no one here to see you. He's here.
Yeah. Detective Wilson, Detective McKinney. How bad is he? Critical. He's lucky to be alive. We're trying to stay with it. What happened? We don't know. One of his neighbors found him in the morning. Unconscious. Yes, she's dead. Any of you did it? Not yet. Have to ask, Mr. Boxstein received any recent threats? Didn't tell me that. No conflicts. Maybe you rubbed somebody the wrong way, no? Nothing intentional. Everybody loves him. Well, if you think of anything, don't hesitate to give us a call, okay? You can't reach us immediately, just leave a voicemail and get right back to you. Thanks.
John? What's going on? John?
Look at this, Dan. Mr. Beckett? Mr. Beckett? Yeah.
Did you hear what I said? David had an insurance policy that covered today's funeral, so no, you don't have to pay for it. Apart from the house, you are the sole beneficiary of his estate. He left the house to you and your wife. I'm sorry for your loss.
Where's Karen?
He's with his mother. I'll let him know you came by. You know, for years I stood by and watched as your misplaced loyalty to everyone but your own family broke my little girl's heart. It's not gonna happen again. Now you get off my property before I call the cops. You show up here again uninvited, I'll make sure the only way you ever see Cam again is through bars. Do you understand me?
So,
Money back. No can do. Sold as is.
that's what I said.
Courts are that way.
So me.
Hi, buddy. How you doing? Cam.
I spoke to you on the phone earlier.
Yeah.
He's upset.
Understandably so. Not Nicole.
Yep.
And? The fact that it broke down so soon is good for you because that was a death trap.
He told me it had been inspected.
Yeah, they lied or they sold it to you knowing it was dangerous. Either way, you got screwed. I pulled these bastards up online, did a little research. This is their standard operating procedure. One of these days, they're gonna get someone killed.
27 of them.
These things are all over the place. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
John Beckett.
Yep.
Served.
What is it?
Restraining order.
Can I help? It's okay. Come on. It's fine.
Hey, buddy. Did you get your homework done? Cameron.
No.
Well, get it done. No TV till then. What's wrong?